So today I'm going to be unboxing a Samsonite ParaluX in 55 centimeters. So this is the hand carry version. I did get them from the Qantas rewards store, only because that I am a member of Qantas and I'd like to use my points. So it's currently retailing for $499. It is Black Friday sale. It was down to $399, and using my points I purchased this for $260. So let's unbox it. So it comes with a protective cloth. So I've got the blue color, but first of all, good morning, good night, and anything in between. Welcome to my channel. So I've got the blue version of this. There's actually two color variation to this luggage. I was going to get the white one, so it's an off-white or a blue color. I just thought about the white being you're able to like pair it up with most things, but I do love the color blue, so I opted to get the blue color. There it is. So the measurement for this is 55 by 39 by 23, and this is expandable and it can go up to 26 centimeters. This is 2.9 kilos and can fit up to 40 and 64 liters if you expand. So this has TSA lock and another TSA lock here. So this luggage, you can have it open at the front, just like that. So it comes with a pocket here on the flap, and you've got a mesh pocket here as well. So this is best for a laptop if you're going to use them as a hand carry, and it's quick access because it's right at the front. The zipper is nice and smooth. What's catching is just I've got a piece of paper there that I haven't removed, so I will remove that later. Throw away. Strap. So you've got a couple of straps here and a divider. So the divider has a zip compartment. So this one is plastic, and it's this is material at the back, so it's removable and you can use it as a divider. So that's one, and then you've got another zipper here that will open the next section. It's just there. So this is the main compartment. So with this one, the selling point for this one is you can open at the top if you've got less space, or you can open them on the side. So let's just open them. You can open them on the side as well. This. And open them on that side. So this is the zip compartment earlier. So pretend that it is closed at the back, at the front there, so you can put your stuff in here, pack them up, and close them, and it will take you into the other compartment. Also has a securing strap, and it comes with two packing cube, which is perfect if you're a cube packer. It's a zip packing cube, and the stitching also has a seal inside, so the quality is very good. The craftsmanship is excellent in this there, and I imagine this is also washable. So that's one zip compartment. It's best for your shoes. And you've got another one here, which is also a zip packing cube. It is a little bit constructed, So it looks like it has a bit of a stiff nylon in here and it stays in shape. that's that. We've got a tag here that is made in China. So that's the inside of the bag. It's nice, and it's really a very nice color. It's gray, it's a light gray. You can see your stuff in here, because like, you know, when it's dark, it's hard to find things. We also have, okay, just to cover the zipper right here. You've got a Velcro right there. So that is inside. If you use this as not as a hand carry, because me personally, I will not be using this as a hand carry only. I will be using this as my main luggage. So I am very good at packing, and I'm almost certain that I'll be able to pack this up to at least 18 kilos extended. So I will check them in, and because I don't like to travel with a hard luggage on the plane, because I just want to stick everything under the seat. The reason for me buying this is for a check-in. I also just want to show you, so it also has a handle on the side. It has a handle at the top, which is really convenient. If you are going to be checking them in, it's just easier to put it on the carousel or to pick it up out of a carousel if you check them in. You can also have your name engraved in this. So there is a form online, so you can avail that, and that is free engraving, they said on the website. Just to see how it looks like with the luggage expanded. So you've got a zip right there, and you just zip it around until you get to the mid back, and you've got an extra, it's about 3 centimeters extra luggage space in there. So with me, I will be packing them as a top side, only because I'd like to maximize the space, and I'm finding it very difficult to put them together once I've started, once I finish packing. So I will be showing you how I packed this for my 10-day trip to Korea. I hope you check it out. So just with the material as well, this is a polypropylene material. This is recycled. The wheels are secured, and there's no edge that will get caught if you check them in as well. It's a multi-directional wheel, so it's easy to move. The handle is also extendable, and you can extend to one. You've got about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 holes in here that you can adjust the height. This is also very good if you have a backpack or another bag when you're traveling, because you can just rest them in here and you can strap it in here. Unlike those that are just single handle, it's very hard, and then they tend to roll. And also at the back, you can stick your bag in here. When I saw this, the promise says it's packing perfected. Is it packing perfected? I guess we'll find out soon. Have you got one already, or are you interested in buying one? Let me know at the comment underneath what you think about this bag, or is it something that you're trying to consider as well. So this is just my quick unboxing of the Samsonite ParaluX luggage, which is in 55 centimeters. This is the hand carry version. It is quite light, and it sounds really durable. The wheel, there's no sound, so there's no clicking sound, and it's multi-directional. The finish, it's smooth but a little bit grainy. The matted blue color, I really like it. It's really nice. You've got the Samsonite logo at the front. So that's just a quick unboxing of my Samsonite ParaluX. Retailed for 499 Australian dollars, but I got them for $260 through a Qantas marketplace. I hope you found this video useful, and if you did, go ahead and hit that thumbs up just to show me some support, or subscribe to my channel. I'm looking forward to seeing you on my next video, but for now, it's me, truly wonderly yours. Hanggang sa muling pagtatagpo. Bye!